Okay, so now time to put on your dimension guides, and then you will move on to generating the ideas for how your tiny house will look inside. So what we need to do, for this one, you don't actually need to copy and paste it. You can just use these because we won't have to use them again at any point. So what we're going to do, first step, is drag them and line them up. If you've got the snap to on, it'll line up exactly. Remember, our dimension guides never touch the floor plan. And then we're just going to use the same trick again. So if we go to width, if we remember, the width of our floor plan is 200 millimeters. That does it exactly for us. Then all you need to do is, when you're moving this piece so it doesn't go everywhere, hold shift, it'll stay in line, and then when you hit the point, it'll exactly place it there for you. You'll need to zoom in and make sure no lines are hanging over the edge. If that's the case, you can just drag them in a bit. Then all you need to do is select everything of your dimension guides, and we're going to group it, and then go Command C, Command V. Then you'll have another piece here. All you need to do is simply drag this down to the south wall. This button up the top here, flip it around, holding shift, and then it'll keep it on a 90-degree spin. Then we can see we've got our two there already. We're going to copy and paste this one, and then we're going to flip it on the side. And obviously, it's far too big at the moment. You need to double click on this one to enter into it, as it's now grouped. Or what you could do is simply click on the image here. Right hand click and ungroup selection. So we're looking at the height is 200 and we want that to be 100. So now that should perfectly line up. And what we do again, Command C, Command V, flip that around, drag it across. Oh, taken the wrong one. The right one, holding shift, dragging it across, and just remembering that it never touches our floor plan. And there we have it, our dimension guide's already in. We might need to change these little markers as they've been squished a bit, but that's easily done when it comes to measuring. So you can delete them off for now if you like. But otherwise, that's your dimension guides done for those working in Gravit. And now you can move on to adding in your furniture and playing around with the idea that you need to fit all these pieces. So you've got your bed, your table, your couches, your toilet, shower, basin, and your sink, stove, and fridge, and your kitchen bench here. So now you can start messing around with where those are going to fit, and then I will give you the future instructions of where you need to go from there. Quickly, for those on Illustrator, works extremely similar. Again, if you go to the transform tool, you'll see the width here. If we go to 100, for example, and then all you simply need to do is rotate, have that on the side here. You can turn your snapping on as well. And if you want the one down the bottom, hover over the corner, hold shift and hold your mouse down and turn. And then you'll change your width to 200. So as you can see, lost a little bit there. Hold and shift, moving along. And if we move this all out to the middle, very simple. Command C, Command V, flip around. Sorry, just a reminder for those in Illustrator, it's Command C and then Command Shift V to paste in the same place. Otherwise, if you press just Command V, it might paste it anywhere on the page. So there you have yours done in Illustrator. You can go to the same position. You'll have your furniture on your cheat sheet and paste it on the page here. Have a go at placing your furniture anywhere in your design.